Hello, it's been a while since we last met. You guys have been asking me if I had a full list of the English alphabet in the style of Chinese calligraphy, so today I made one. Now, before I show you the whole process of writing them, let me just go over some basic strokes that make up these letters. Basically, we have the horizontal stroke, the vertical stroke, left falling stroke, press down stroke, and the dot stroke. There are more strokes in the Chinese calligraphy, but these are some of the most essential ones that I'll be using for my list. Now let's look at the uppercase A, for example. Starting with the left falling stroke, press down stroke, and then finish with a short horizontal stroke. For lowercase a, we basically have 3 short horizontal strokes, 1 short vertical stroke, and 1 longer vertical stroke. Next, let's look at the letter Q. The uppercase consists of 2 vertical strokes and 2 horizontal strokes. You can finish it with a dot stroke. The lowercase q has 2 vertical strokes and also 2 horizontal strokes. One of the vertical strokes is just a little bit longer than the other one. Another good example to look at is the letter K. Both uppercase and lowercase k's are combinations of the vertical, left falling, and press down strokes. For the lowercase, you can even replace the very last press down stroke with a dot stroke, just to separate them. You'll see these letters varies in techniques and strokes, and some are of course more complex than the others. Just remember to be patient when you practice, because patience wins the day. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I'm just gonna show you how I'm writing my own name. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and remember, if you have any questions, just email me or reach out to me on the comment section. I'll try to get to you when I can. Thank you and Happy New Year!